Welcome to Integrator Dima channel, and here we learn JavaScript and Python, and in this video we will try to run, install and see in action both languages. So the simplest way to run JavaScript is to go to your browser, click something like inspect and go to console. So this is a console that can interact with a web page directly, or you can do some math, for example 100 plus 40, you can see immediately calculated, or you can use like browser API, type some commands here and see that it reacts and you already can execute JavaScript. This is the simplest way. Other than that, you can go to Node.js. This is a special runtime environment that allows you to create servers, web apps, command line tools, different scripts. And here you can see what is the latest LTS version, long-term support for which operation system, which tool you want to use, NVM is the Node version manager, and which package manager you want to use. So you can select the one that you prefer, and you can go and open terminal. So you can see in my machine 18 version is the currently installed. Let's see if I will be able to install the latest one. So I have Node version manager already. I execute those recommended commands. Let's see what installing version 22 to my machine. I see it's already there. So so now I type node version. It shows me the latest stable version, and it goes with a package of Node modules package manager. So you can see the version as well. So the idea here is that you can execute like JavaScript code using the node command, and going to we will see it in action in a minute. And the Python, you can go also to the python.org downloads and download the latest version. So then you can choose the text editor or IDEA that you will be using. So in my case it's Visual Studio Code, because it has a good support for both languages. And I created two files, first code.python and this first code.js. So in Python you can see this button that helps us to automatically execute the code. So let's start from scratch. So for example, I have like age, which is equal to 20, and later I will have something like age plus 1, and I want to print it in my script. So I use this print command, age plus 1, and try to run it. So let's see if it will work for me. So you can see the result 21, so which works pretty good, and you can print some string like hello from Integrator Dima and something like that. So you see it works pretty well, and you can do the same here. So for example, let age is equal to 30 and console log, and like age is, and like age is a second argument. And so here I will do like node and first code.js. So you can see it executes the line, and as well as I can try Python 3 first code.python. So hello from Integrator Dima. So it works pretty good. After you will install the Python, you can check the version. So in some operation system you can see this command will work, but not in my case. So because I use the third version, so Python 3 -- version will show my currently installed version, and if I want to execute it from terminal, I can just type Python 3 and you will see these 3 symbols. It means that currently terminal is listening for my code, and I can do some calculations like this. For example, when you see it, it works Ctrl-Z to exit and clear. So that's the way how you can use it and run it from terminal. And yeah, similar how you can use those in files. And also we've seen how we can switch like different versions with the Node version manager, and there is similar thing here in Python. So if you will go view, command palette, Python, select interpreter, you can choose also the version, like you can see the global one, the recommended, the latest one, and other versions installed. So basically that's it for this lesson, and we will write more code in the next one. See you there. Bye.